Today I'm going to show you how to download the premium paid scripts for free. Basically, this is the website that we are going to download the scripts for free, which is codelist.cc, and the link will be also given in the description below. So if you want to download any latest scripts, you can use this website, or you can just search from here. If you want the school management system, you can download that script as well. You can see that the least amount of scripts have been uploaded here on just school management system. And if you want to download any one of these, for example, I choose this one because it's the very latest one. And you can find the demo right here. You can click on the demo and it will take you to the demo, and you can check out how the script looks like. And of course it is on $55. This is just a preview, and how you can download is just these are the links that could be used for to download the file. Basically, what I should suggest you guys that you must select the user cloud. This is one of the authentic to download these files. You can just copy all the URL and open a new tab. And the second one is zippy share. Basically, these two are the ones that I really like to download from them. And you can just check out the demo of this, and all the demo stuff you can check from here. This is just to let you know how you could do that. And now basically it says that file does not exist in the zippy share, and you can download that file from the user cloud just simply clicking on the continue download. And of course it will give you the new tabs. Just close them, just pop-up ads, and you can use of course the ad blocker to avoid these and now click on the download, which is the free one. And if you want to download the fast download, for that you need to go for the premium package, but we are going for a free download, which is to click this one, which is 47 MB. And now it has given me the file option to download, and just I will click the save button. So it will take the least time to download this file. You can check out the other things in the code list. For example, you can find thousands of new scripts that are uploaded every single day. It is on Bitcoin live trading, and you can find other things. You can find the apps, mobile plugins, add-ons, null CMS, a lot of other scripts that could help you, and of course applications and plugins for WordPress and CMS. So it is taking a bit time to download. Now the file is complete. Let me click on this file. You can download all the files, just the same process is to be followed. And click on this one, and you can see that it is the quick start guide. You can start this guide to learn how to install and do all the things. And this is the source, and this is the where you could upload the plugin to your server. If you want me to make a video on how to upload and how to work on the scripts, you can comment below and I could make a video on that too. And of course I will be sharing some of the useful links that can help you download the premium Udemy courses and other platform courses just for free. And of course that includes the softwares, and you can check all of them in the description below. Thank you.